Udokotela Mashazi uqale ubufakazi bakhe ngezinsolo ezibucayi azibhekise kuyinhloko yamaphoyisa ekuruleni esamise uJabulani Mapiyeye nakuchaze ngokusebenzisa isikhundla sakhe ukuxhaphaza ezinye izisebenzi. Uthi wathola umbiko ngezinsolo zokudlwengula nokunukubeza ngokocansi ezibhekiswe kuMapiyeye.
It was also reported to me that the Chief of Police, Isaac Mapiyeye, fathered multiple children with subordinates who were vulnerable to his abuse of power, including conduct amounting to sexual harassment, coercion and rape.
Uthi uMapiyeye ubelutha izisebenzi zesifazane esebenzisa ucansi ukuze sithole izikhundla eziphezulu. Ubalule ukhulumela i-EMPD uLieutenant Colonel Kelebogile Tsipa obengufakazi kule khomishana njengomunye wabathola isikhundla kungafanele ngenxa yokusondelana noMapiyeye.
He used to call them amangilos. He calls them amangilos, like angels. Those who are angels, these are the ones who are actually promoted. And if you look at the promotion of Tepa, who actually testified here, you can see that she was promoted within a short period of time as compared to others who have more qualifications, who were there before her, who were appointed before her.
Do you say it as a fact
that
Colonel Tepa had an improper relationship with Chief Mapiyeye, and in particular, and maybe let me put it as specific as what I think you're suggesting, she had a sexual relationship with Chief Mapiyeye? Is that what you're saying?
Exactly.
Mashazi uvela kule khomishana nje usola ngokusebenzisa isikhundla namandla akhe ukuvikelwa ibambe njengenhloko yophiko lamaphoyisa e-EMPD osamisiwe uJulius Mkhwanazi. Isicau siyaqhubeka.